Hi, I'm Jamie from FSE. Today we're at Matsuura UK looking at the FSE chip management system on the market-leading fully automated MX-330 PC10. Let's go take a look. This is the FSE fully integrated chip management system on the MX-330. As standard, it comes with a full-width drag scraper conveyor with integrated stainless steel filter drum for continuous media-free filtration, typically at 20 micron. The control panel is interfaced to the machine tool, giving you complete control continually. The clean tank on the chip management system comes with a full range of machine return pumps and level sensors. The high-pressure NOP Super Clean tank supplies a spindle with coolant clarified to 10 micron. The ExoMist extractor can be either integrated on the chip management system or floor-mounted. For more information or a quotation on our chip management systems, head to our website.